everybody, Paul here. If you performed part 1 of how to easily fix your airbag warning light and it fixed the problem, then there was obviously an electrical connection issue that caused it to happen. But there's still something else you might want to do. What I would recommend is that you buy some dielectric grease like I have here. This is a very special kind of grease which helps conduct electricity and helps prevent electrical arcing and corrosion. What you'll be doing is applying the dielectric grease to the connector that you wiggled under the seat which fixed the problem. If you wiggled multiple connectors and you're not sure which connector fixed the problem, then apply it to all of the connectors, which will only be an added benefit. With the vehicle turned off, simply remove one connector at a time. Apply the dielectric grease only to the female connector. That way you won't risk bending any of the metal prongs inside the male connector. Once you apply the dielectric grease to the female connector, push it back in firmly, and you're done. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.